It's funny, I was reading a YouTube comment the other day. I read all of them, guys, so hit me up. And somebody's like, you lost me when you said you have to publish every 3 months. And I asked why. I haven't heard back yet. If I see a reply, I'll post it here. But I was just so confused. I was like, did you just think of publishing once and then you were going to be good? Or like, what do you want to publish every month? Or I was just so confused. But yes, the fastest way for you to learn this business is by publishing more often. And I recommend publishing every 2 to 3 months. Why not every month, Emeka? Because you can't make a book good enough every single month, especially when you're new, right? Once you get up to a certain skill level, yeah, you'll be able to pump out a book a month, no problem, right? And high quality books. But in the beginning, you're making so many mistakes, you're figuring things out, you're asking so many questions. It's gonna take you 2 to 3 months to publish really, really good books. And that's okay. But the important thing is keep publishing new books because you will have one book that will outsell and out-earn every other book in your portfolio combined. You just never know when that book is going to hit. Now, instead of watching another YouTube video, I want you to come and publish your first book with me for free inside my free 3-day Publish and Profit Challenge. I will show you personally how to find a topic, how to write the book, how to create a title, how to create a cover, and then publish the book and make your first dollar from it. All 100% for free. So link in the description for the Publish and Profit 3-day challenge.